traders, I'm looking at silver at the moment. I just want to go out and show you something on the, let's go to a monthly time frame and have a look. All right, this has been pushing up and is, in my opinion, fairly overextended. Now, I'm looking to get long silver, but there's a few things we need to talk about. Have a look at this weekly chart. All right, we don't see any retrace apart from a slight pullback up in here. So you want to be really careful trading this at the moment, because that, yeah, I'm bullish, but a pullback down into here is not out of the question, guys. Let's just have a look at this on the daily time frame. All right, we'll clear the decks. Here's the thing. Have a look at every price swing, wherever you go, right? Let's just go back here. Price swing. Low to high. Where's the pullback? Yeah, just grab a pencil. Low to high, pull back into equilibrium. Low to high, pull back into equilibrium. Low to high, pull back into equilibrium. Low to high. Okay, you see where I'm going with that, right? Low to high, pull back into equilibrium. Equilibrium is 50% of this range. All right. So, yeah, you want to be a little bit careful at the moment, because we're seeing a potential strong pullback in the equity markets. And I think silver might be potentially negatively impacted. So I'm looking at this daily time frame, swing low, swing high. It is currently trading at a premium, guys, right now. And look, you can go down to a 4H, and your thing on the 4H might be, all right, it's pulling back. I tend to buy when it pulls back. Okay, there's a 4-hour swing now, but yeah, look out for that, guys. Why? For the reasons that I've just mentioned. On the higher time frame, this looks like it could potentially pull back a bit further. So we have an imbalance here. Yeah, it got traded through. We have an imbalance down in here as well. Imbalance as in bullish, one-way trading, bullish, right? It's a bullish imbalance. You can see that green candle, nothing left and right. So that's why I'm thinking, a deeper pullback could be a possibility. It's not a prediction, guys, but yeah, I mean, that's pretty deep. That's right back down into this order block. But, be careful. But, we could look for a lower time frame opportunity, given that the higher time frame is, yeah, and the internet's now slow. Just waiting. Yep, there it is. A counter trend trade could be a thing here. Possibly. Have a look at it on the 15-minute. Right. So if this happens to break structure here, that could be a thing. Be very careful, guys. It's not easy trading this at the moment, because counter trends are not an easy. It's not an easy gig. Why? Because a pullback down in here might give you reason to think that it's going to continue, but it could just be a hit on this liquidity. And then we're off to the races again. Now, it's a very precarious market at the moment. So where to from here? Well, my take on this is going to be exactly this. I'll show you. I'm going to avoid this. And what I really want to see is, well, that's what, pull back down into here, and I would look to potentially go long. Let's just check that out on the 4-hour. Yeah, I'm thinking a pullback. See, here's the thing, guys. Okay, let me just draw something for you, a trend. The trend, all right, we trend up, but look at this pullback here. Okay, then we trend up, we trend up, we trend up. Right, that kind of thing. All right, so what happens here is it's hitting this liquidity under here. And I'm thinking something similar to that could occur with this. Looking to target, see this range? Possibly under here. So I'm going to look to potentially get long around this level if it pulls back down in here. I don't want to buy at this high, but my point of interest will be down in around here. But what I want to see happen is pretty specific. Let's go to a 30-minute. No, that's no good. A 30-minute chart. what I want to see happen here is, yeah, just understand there's liquidity under here. Let me just grab that liquidity pool. Yeah, we'll do that. Point of interest. So what I'm targeting is the lows under here. That's it. All right. And then look, if it does pull back aggressively, there's more lows under here. You know, but at some stage this is gonna find support. So the price action to look for here is going to be drawing is giving me a problem. Look for the price action to range, fake out, shake out, trade with speed, and then we get something like that. So I'm looking for a deep pullback, guys. And look, if it doesn't happen, I'll let it go. I really want that pullback. And it could happen here, could happen here. I really would love to hear your thoughts on this. So definitely leave a comment below. That would be awesome. Liquidity pool under here is a possible target, but yeah, point of interest for a buy. Let me just do that and make a note. Okay, POI for a buy if we see a bullish break of structure, and that would be here. So wherever this lands and creates this price action, I want to see it trend down and then see it's going to break structure down, and then I want to see it break structure north, bullish. Guys, that's it. That's my take. Definitely leave a comment. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.